Oh, I gotta go get them. Guys, wake up.
Why do I have to wake up?
Because it's morning time.
But I don't feel good.
Oh, oh my God, God. What
Yeah,
is
look at all the snot I have.
I'm gonna go get a tissue.
Peppa, look at all the snot that I have coming out of my nose. There's so much of it. Ah! It's taking over my nose.
Okay, I'm gonna get this white one. Okay.
Okay.
Oh no. Good. Want me to get another tissue? Oh no. Oh no. It looks like I'm sick too.
Yeah, we definitely shouldn't go to school today, even though we don't go to school anyway.
Yeah.
Wants to ride on the train.
No.
We. Jesus.
Look in my bed.
What did you do?
How did I do that?
I don't know. You farted?
No. This is my boogers.
Well, I'm gonna go to sleep on the oven.
No, you can't go to sleep on the oven.
That's not even an oven. That's a sink. That's what he said.
I have to go buy the oven.
So I can sleep on it?
No.
Oh man, why do we need an oven then?
So we can cook. The oven won't fit in the house.
How do we cook before without an oven? We just used DoorDash or something.
Yeah.
So we just bought food from restaurants and we never made meals and we never cooked.
Okay, guys.
I'm gonna take a rest.
Two! I'm sick too. Oh no.
Maybe it's time I should get some rest instead of watching. I'm gonna take a nap while the TV plays in the background. And if anyone changes the channel, I'm going to send them into a fire.
Well, it looks like the whole house is sick. And there's spots on them.
Oh, great, guys. I know who can take care of us.
Who?
You're not going to like it. I'm crying. Hello, guys. I heard that you were sick. How did you hear that? That was 2 seconds ago. I literally don't care. And how are you flying? That's what I do. All right, guys. You guys are sick, right?
Two!
So, what do you want me to do?
Two!
So what do you guys need me for?
Two!
So what do you guys need me for?
Now, there's basically snot all over the house now.
So what do you want me to do?
We need your help cleaning it up.
I don't care.
Wait, guys, we need to clean it up. Guys! Guys, are you listening?
All right, guys, I'm on top of this thing now. Oh no, I fell. I'm falling. All right, guys.
Go! I think we should go to the doctor.
I'm barely alive.
Look
out! All right, guys, let's go. Let's go to the doctor. Hurry. Get to the doctor. Peppa, hurry. We have to get to the doctor. All right, we're at the doctor. Doctor, where are you?
Where are you?
Doctor! Right. Chill. What do you need?
Awesome!
We have such a deadly sneeze that when we sneezed, our entire house exploded. Well, then you guys just need to rest for a day. All right, let me go get you a bed. Go sit at that bed, okay? Sit on it now!
No, the whole entire family needs to sit on it.
Well, all of you sit on it then! Guys, I think we left Mommy Pig at home.
Here I am. You guys left me at home. We need another bed, Miss Rabbit.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Well, that's too bad.
Now, let's go get another bed, guys.
Where can we get it? Oh, my gosh. We just had an infinite supply of furniture, and we didn't know it. Oh, that's cool. That's a couch.
Yeah. But we have...
I'm getting my own bed. This is my bed.
This is my bed.
Sleep faster!
Okay.
Everyone wake up now! All right, Peppa, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. That's what Peppa does. All right, guys. Where did Peppa go? I killed her. Why? Because she wasn't waking up.
Okay. Whoa.
Peppa, you're
Time.
gonna sneeze. Everyone, we need to evacuate immediately. But I don't know where the exit is. Oh no.